It is so windy out here. The rain ran everyone off the beach. The beach is quiet. Thank you. The rain ran everyone off the beach, guys. Like, it's so dead. It's so peaceful. So peaceful. It's so peaceful. Yes, I am. Shabba. You know, I never understand why people come in Periscope and be like, oh, can I see this? Can I see that? Like, motherfucker, they got Pornhub and all that motherfucking shit. You can go and look at all the shit that you want to motherfucking look at. Like, my Periscope channel ain't for that. Like, it's fucking ridiculous. Yes, I'm the only one not topless. First of all, ain't nobody on the motherfucking beach to be motherfucking topless. First fucking all. Topless where? Where? You see anybody? Where? There's nobody here. The only people that's on the beach right now is the people that have hotels on the beach. Other than that, there's no one on the fucking beach. It just rained for like 30 minutes. That shit ran everybody the fuck off the beach. And that was that. That was that. We don't have like really great beaches in New York unless you go all the way out to the Hamptons, which is like blah. Like, I love the Hamptons, don't get me wrong, because I go there all the time, but it's not like here. It's not that hot right now. It's really not. It feels like 70 degrees out here. It's about like 70 degrees. I should be like in the water, but it's like, it's not even hot enough for that. So tomorrow, that will be my thing. I will go swimming before I pack my things to go back to New York. How about you open your mouth? How about that? You open your fucking mouth. How about that? I swear, I gotta come on Periscope and be like mad disrespectful to all the fucking clowns that be on Periscope. Mad fucking thirsty. Get no fucking ass. Come on motherfucking Periscope. You get to see some ass. Y'all niggas is fucking pathetic. God, it's so sad. It's so sad that people are just so pathetic. Like, get your fucking life, please, ASAP. It's not cute. There's nothing cute about you starving, coming on someone's Periscope, trying to motherfucking see what you can motherfucking go on motherfucking YouTube and go see some motherfucking porn. Okay, bitch? Hold that. Good vibes only. On a better note, thanks for that info, forehead. Ah, thanks for calling me forehead, bitch. Hi, Mon Batter. I don't know who that is, but obviously you know me because you said hi, Kimmy, so it got to be someone I know. LeBron hairline. Oh God, you guys are so entertaining. Yo, because I've been on TV before, like, none of the shit that people say really bothers me, because most of the people that talk the most shit are actually, like, extremely broke. Like, I mean, when I say broke, like, extremely fucking broke. They have no fucking money, so they sit behind their computer screen and do this, a lot of fucking this. And guess what? keep doing this, bitch. Because I'm going to keep doing this. Keep doing that. God, I love haters. Baby, I'm at one of the best hotels in Miami. The Fiena, okay? Get your fucking life. Get your motherfucking life. Oh, God, here we go. The proving. Oh, you got to prove yourself. Honey, you can exit stage left, you know? You can exit stage left. Actually, no. It's not the fucking Days Inn. There's the Casa Fiena, and then there's the Fiena Hotel. It's a big difference. And if you know anything about Miami, I'm actually in one of the most historic places in Miami, and this hotel been #1 on Forbes. Thank you. Appreciate it. Goodbye. Too bad. Yep. I'm here, so what? You're mad. And guess what? I didn't have to pay $1 to be here. My job provided that. Thank you. Now have a fucking nice night. Like, fuck out of here. Like, I hate basic fucking people. Like, basic fucking people. Basic niggas. Basic bitches. I just really hate fucking basic people. Now, if you want to get to know who the fuck I am, how about you go and Google Bravo, Blood, Sweat, Heels, season 1 and 2. Yes, your girl was on that. So yeah, do something. Like really, do something. Get your fucking life. Get your life. Go get a day job. Go suck a dick. How about that? Go suck a fucking dick. Jesus, there's a bunch of trolls on the internet. Bunch of fucking trolls. Like, it's so sad. Oh, Jersey Shore knockoff. Lord Jesus, nobody's from the fucking Jersey Shore. I'm definitely not a knockoff. Let me tell you something, baby. I'm from Kingston, motherfucking Jamaica, okay? I'm nowhere part of the Jersey Shore, bitch. Who's mad? Who's big mad? Who's mad? I like Periscope. I love Periscope. You guys are so motherfucking entertaining, bitch. So motherfucking entertaining, bitch. So motherfucking entertain. Why you mad? Why you mad? Why you motherfucking mad? Oh shit. Anyway, guys, to all my 500 followers, or probably even more, I love you guys. For the ones who ain't haters, thank you. And follow back. Okay, like, send me a message and I'll follow you right back. I'll follow you guys right back. It's nothing but a follow. It's nothing but a follow. Follow me on Instagram, though. Like, I don't really be on here that much. Like, I just come on just to see what's going on. Go on Instagram. Oh, no, I follow you on here, too. Like, if you send me a message on here, because I'm not going to remember. Like, honestly. Just, like, send me a message. I think you could do messages on Periscope. But I'll follow back. Like, I don't care about, like, followers and all that shit. Like, I'll follow back. Like, it's never that fucking deep. People get so caught up in social media and think, like, if you have certain followers, if you don't have certain followers, at the end of the day, if you're not getting paid per follower, then you shouldn't be crying about it, okay? Yeah, it rains crazy here. Like, I'm usually here every July for Miami Swim Week because I'm a style editor. So I'm usually here for Miami Swim Week, and then I stay a little bit longer just to have some me time because I'm a Cancer and my birthday is in July 1st. So I just try to get a little R&R before I go back to New York, because it's just basically like work. When I get back to New York City, when I get back to New York, I have like 4 editorials to shoot. Then I got to prepare for New York Fashion Week. I'm going to do Atlanta Fashion Week this year. I'm trying to see if I can get like comp to do Milan Fashion Week. It would be cool. It'll be fucking cool. If you want to see my bikini, you can go to my video that I posted a little bit earlier when I was in the hotel room. You can see. Oh, I designed for Walmart. Actually, no. I freelance work for Vogue Japan, bitch. God, thank you. Yeah, it's a bunch of trolls. Like, why would I pay any mind to anyone that's behind a fucking computer screen, behind a phone screen? For what? For what? That shit don't faze me. Like, I've been doing this shit for years. I'm 34 years old. Like, I am not entertained by anyone. I am married. I have my children. Like, I'm good. I'm Gucci over here. You Gucci or not? Because you're still sitting on my page watching me. So guess what? Who me? 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 Who? You big man. You big man. You big man. Anyway, guys, I gotta go. Adios, amigos.